So today I've been playing with an old Alienware that I'm making a bit of a retro piece, as you can see by the various icons, and it's asking to activate Windows. So for me it's telling me to go to this particular phone number and into the details from there, which the phone system is so damn slow and frustrating, but we also don't have SMS. But after a little bit of Googling, I've come across a website called Getcid. Getcid. I've just entered the confirmation ID, or the activation ID, ticked here, clicked get, and it's just spat out all these numbers here. So from here, I should be able to re-enter those, and it's going to essentially phone activate it without needing to call, and it's going to save me a hell of a lot of time waiting for it to read out this number and waiting for me to enter in that number. So if you're activating an old copy of Windows 7, this very well may be a great way to do it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later.